Hello everyone. Today I will share how to fix printer error 709 and the issue where the Print Spooler service stops automatically when connecting a printer over a LAN network. Step 1. Extract the fix file. Step 2. Right-click on the file fixprint.mend and select Run as Administrator. Copy the 3 files from the Spooler 64 folder. Go to the path C Windows System 32 and paste the copied files there. Select Replace and Continue for all 3 files. Step 3. Press Windows R, type services.msc and press Enter to open services. Find Print Spooler. Right-click on it and select Start, then wait about 1 minute. Step 4. Reconnect the printer and check. Good luck.